If you live in an apartment or a small home and don't really have space for a full Christmas tree, or you just can't justify the cost, I've got the perfect solution for you. This is the Norfolk Pine, and you may have seen these in garden centers around town for years and years because they are so popular, and for good reason. They really are a good indoor plant that will last you for a very long time, over and above the holiday seasons. So this is a little larger plant. Now these will eventually get very, very tall. They're perfect for, especially if they're in a bright spot, they're really good for high ceilings or even a stairwell. But they've also got smaller versions. You can see here, this cute little 6-inch pot is perfect for the kids' table or even an outdoor table that you have under some sort of cover and roof line so that it doesn't get the frost. Because you guys, this thing cannot get hit by the winter frost. It is kind of a tropical plant. So if you have been thinking about getting something that will last you beyond that Christmas and holiday season, this is the perfect thing for you. Dress it up with your little tiny ornaments, your garland, and then of course in Mobile we love to go past it and get into Mardi Gras season and dress it up for that one too. So have fun with it and make it last as long, don't kill it, but make it last as long as it can.